Oh boy. Hi guys, so right now I'm going to be doing a video that I've seen on YouTube that's trending a little bit, and it's recreating someone's Instagram pictures, and in this video I'm going to be recreating Kylie Jenner's Instagram photos. This shall be interesting. My pictures are probably not going to be as good as hers, let's be real. Walmart versus Chanel. I'm just kidding. This video was a lot harder than I thought it would be. How does she do it? Before I start, definitely subscribe, the link will be right here and down below, and definitely turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just that little bell thing and it notifies you when I upload, so yeah. Of course, give this video a thumbs up if you guys want me to do more of these. I don't know, because I kind of feel crappy about myself after this, because I'm like, how does she take these pictures? Without further ado, let's get started on this video. Right now I'm going to a wig store to get a couple of wigs because I need them. Okay, I just made it to the hair place. Ooh. There's so many. So I'm getting this one. This one's like old Kylie. For this one, we're not gonna be using the wig just because I feel like we don't really need it that much for this picture. This hairstyle is like parted down the middle, a low bun, so let's do that. Okay, so hers probably turned out a million times better. So I'm pretty much all ready, but my photographer is sleeping. Well, great. So I don't have a plain white sweatshirt, so I'm using this one, and then when I'm editing the pictures, I'm just gonna blur out these patterns. And then for shoes, I'm wearing these ones, which aren't like the ones in the pictures, but these are the closest ones that I literally have because they're white. We're gonna work with what we got. Also in this picture, it looked like it was at nighttime, so we're gonna close the windows and then put it on flash. We're gonna use the wig out. Probably gonna look really fake, I don't know. Oh my goodness, this is tragic. I look like the Grudge. Oh my god, I look like a mess. Look at this. Ew, this looks so weird. I can't. Ew! So we need the clouds. Ooh, I'm Drake. I'm literally Walmart. I'm gonna cry. So for this one, I'm keeping on the wig and wearing this sweatshirt. In the picture, it looked like she had more like smoky eyeshadow under her eyes. So I'm gonna add that, touch up my makeup, and let's try. Okay. We're gonna take the picture right here. I know it's not the same background, but I'm gonna edit it to make it look like it. So let's do it. Yeah, how does she do this? She must have like a professional poser because this feels awkward. Yeah. When your boyfriend has to show you.
Her writing's like that. Like her face is this way and her eyes are like that way.
This foot's up.
And then if your left hand, put it right here. No, the wig makes your hair feel should be forehead.
Wait, really?
Pull it down more. A lot more.
No.
There you go.
Oh.
Alright.
Ew.
Good job, baby.
Woo! Oh,
Nice.
I can breathe.
Watch this!
For this one, we're gonna put our hair in a bun because that's what's in the picture. So let's do that. There we go. She definitely has a longer torso than me, but that's okay. It's been like 10 minutes to try and take this picture.
One eternity later.
Watch this!
This video was a mess. I looked like the Grudge in that wig. It's okay though. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This video is definitely just for entertainment purposes. I thought the pictures would turn out like pretty good, but guys, it is way harder than it looks. Also, I challenge you guys to recreate these pictures and tweet me and Instagram me them because I would love to see, because this was so hard. Don't forget to subscribe, it will be right here and down below. And turn my post notifications into that little bell thing. It'll notify you when I upload. Also, comment below if you guys want me to do another one of these, but with a different celebrity, so let me know. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!